For this calculator hack, you're going to need a calculator. Now, I used one that was a little bit on the larger side because I need some room inside for this project. You'll see in a second. I also found online one of these cheap voice recorders that records about 60 seconds of audio. X equals log X, 10 equals log X equals 1.
X equals log X, 10 equals log X equals 1.
Now it's time to get inside our calculator, and we do that by removing a bunch of these small screws. And once they're out, I used a screwdriver to kind of pry the case open, and inside you'll find a big circuit board, a battery, and the LCD screen. And we also need to get inside our voice recorder. More unscrewing to do. Once I got it all open, again, another little circuit board and a speaker. We're not going to use the existing batteries because we're going to tie into the calculator battery. I noticed inside the calculator case there was all these supports for the circuit board. Well, we need to free some of them up, so I'm using my Dremel, and I'm going to grind some of those away. In all my years of projects, I've acquired a bunch of small parts like these two tiny momentary switches we're going to need. Now, this calculator has a handy little stand that opens up, so I hot glued the switches inside that and drilled a couple holes to run the wires through. After putting a piece of electrical tape down as an insulator, I soldered the two power wires to the existing battery because there's just enough juice to run this thing. Then the wires from the two mini switches get soldered to the play and record switches on the voice recorder. Done. Now it's time to close it all up, and it's a tight fit, but the calculator case closes and snaps in place. Let's test it out. At sea level, the speed of sound is about 760 miles per hour.
At sea level, the speed of sound is about 760 miles per hour.
Even though the mic and speaker are inside the calculator case, it's not airtight.